Hello everyone and welcome back to the Love of Sewing and Craft. This is our computerized sewing machine. When we look at this sewing machine, we can see that it's a little bit different than our analog sewing machine. The first part we see here, that is our top cover. The second part is our thread guide plate. The next part is our bobbin winding thread guide. Then we can see our spool cap, it's removable, and our spool pin. That's where you put your thread in. Then we can see here our bobbin winder. Here we have our thread tension dial. And if we look at the front plate of the machine, we have a scissor to cut your thread when you're done stitching. We have a needle position button to put your needle in its highest position or its lower position. Then we have the reverse stitch key, and then we have the start and stop button, and this one is the speed controller. You can make sure your machine will stitch faster, medium, and slow. We will put ours on medium. Here we have our LCD display where we can see the stitch we selected. On the front of the machine, we can see some of the stitches we normally can use, but there are more stitches in the machine. These are the basic stitches we will use occasionally. If we turn our machine to its left, then we can see our needle threader here, and we can see a little knife to cut our thread. Whenever we turn our machine again, we can see our electricity inlet, our foot pedal inlet, our on and off button, and our hand wheel. Just like our analog machine, this machine came with a foot pedal, but this one has a separate electricity cable. When we put our machine on, we can see the needle section a little bit better. Here we can see our thread guide for our needle. This is our needle, our presser foot, our needle plate cover, our bobbin cover, and when we open our bobbin cover, then we can see our bobbin case and our bobbin. This is our bobbin. The next thing I will show you is how to spool a bobbin with a computerized machine, and then I'll show you how to thread the machine. It's basically the same way you will thread your analog sewing machine. To fill your bobbin, you will need thread. Remove your spool cap and put your spool of thread onto your spool pin and put the spool cap on. Try to find a size of your spool cap that fits. Then we can see that our computerized machine has numbers. For winding our bobbin, we will use the dotted line and the dark numbers. Our first number comes here, second is here, and then through our bobbin winding thread guide, and then we will take this end of our thread and also pass it through one eye of the bobbin, and this time we will also put it on the bobbin winder, push to the left, and then we will see that our knob here became orange. That means we can start winding. And remember, the harder you press onto your foot pedal, the faster it will be. Stop, cut your thread, and continue. When your bobbin is finished, you will see that it will start turning slower. Whenever it stops, you stop pressing also. Pull your bobbin winder back to the left, pull it up, and then you will see that there are little knives here, and cut your thread. The next thing that we will do is placing our bobbin into our machine. We will hold our bobbin into our left hand with the thread coming from this side. Put the bobbin into our bobbin case and then turn to the left. After that, we can close our bobbin case. The next thing we will do is to thread our machine, and this time we won't be following the dotted line, we will be following the straight lines. Hold your thread so you don't pull too much. Follow 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. As soon as your thread gets into the hook, put your presser feet down, pass your thread to the thread guide of your needle, and then through your needle threader. Cut it on the side and then push your needle threader. Whenever you have done that, then you have threaded your needle. The next thing that we will do is to stitch. We will use the same piece of fabric and stabilizer we used with the analog machine. And with this machine, we don't have to pull the bobbin thread to the top. Lift your presser foot and place your fabric, and then start pressing your foot pedal slowly. The harder you press, the faster your machine will be. Click your scissor to cut the thread underneath. Lift your presser foot and you will see that your thread has been cut. And this is the way this machine stitched. It's a little bit dark on this side, but whenever you look at this side for the stabilizer, then you see the stitches we have made. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon for notification, so you will be notified as soon as I post a new video. Thank you and bye!